Top 16 unique and interesting facts about parrots. Parrots, Psittaciformes, otherwise called psittacines, birds with major areas of strength for a mouth, upstanding position, and tall feet. 1. They are adjusted by 4 families that contain approximately 410 species in 101 genera, tracked down for the most part in tropical and subtropical locales. 2. Parrots eat with their feet. 3. Most parrots can copy sound. 4. Parrots can live for more than 60 years. 5. They material forever. 6. They have solid snouts. Parrots are known for having a bended mouth. 7. Of the most clever birds. Parrots are known for being brilliant animals. 11. Parrots lay somewhere in the range of 2 and 8 eggs all at once. The breeding time frame is between 18 to 30 days. The 2 guardians take it in turns to sit on the egg. 12. There are wild parrots in New York City. Harking back to the 1960s, a shipment of parrots was accidentally let out of JFK Air Terminal. These birds are strong to the virus. 13. The band Hatebeak have a dark parrot as their lead performer. This is quite possibly of the most surprising reality about parrots we've run over. 14. A gathering of parrots is known as a mayhem. The word anarchy likewise signifies wild and uproarious. 15. In India, it's against the law to keep parrots as pets. In India, parrots are delegated as wild types of bird, consequently it's against the law to confine one. 16. The clever Fortune Island is the explanation parrots are related with privateers.